Video. Beautiful mountain scenery in Ouray, Colorado. A cheerful Brittany Spaniel walks upright on two legs down a sidewalk while amazed people stop and smile. What would you do if life suddenly changed forever? What if, in a single moment, everything you had always depended on was taken away? Would you give up? Or would you discover a strength you never knew you had? Today, we're sharing the incredible true story of Dexter, a remarkable dog who lost both of his front legs, yet somehow learned to walk upright like a human being. His story has inspired millions around the world because it reminds us that courage isn't about never falling. It's about getting back up. A happy beginning. Video. Puppy running through a grassy field, playing fetch, enjoying life. Dexter was born in 2015, a lively Brittany Spaniel living in the beautiful mountain town of Ouray, Colorado. Like every energetic young dog, Dexter loved to run, chase, explore, and greet everyone he met with a wagging tail. His future seemed filled with adventures. No one imagined how quickly everything would change. The accident. Video. Quiet residential street. Owner searching anxiously. Slow motion recreation. One day, Dexter slipped out of the yard. Before anyone could reach him, tragedy struck. He was hit by a moving vehicle. The injuries were devastating. Both of Dexter's front legs were so badly damaged that veterinarians had no choice but to amputate them to save his life. Most people believed his running days were over. Many wondered if he would ever enjoy life again. But they underestimated Dexter. A miracle no one expected. Video. Dexter using a wheelchair, then gradually trying to balance. At first, Dexter used a special wheelchair. Then something extraordinary happened. Without anyone teaching him. Without months of special training. Dexter began experimenting. He shifted his weight. He balanced. He stood. And then, he walked. On only his two back legs. Like a tiny person. Day after day, he became stronger, faster, and more confident until walking upright became completely natural. Visitors couldn't believe their eyes. Neither could veterinarians. Dexter had adapted in a way almost no one thought possible. A celebrity with 4 paws. Well, 2. Video. Tourists taking pictures. Dexter greeting children. Walking proudly through town. Today, Dexter is one of the most recognizable dogs in Colorado. Tourists visit Ouray hoping to catch a glimpse of the famous dog who walks on 2 legs. Children laugh with delight. Adults are amazed. Complete strangers leave smiling. Dexter doesn't seem interested in being famous. He simply enjoys life. Meeting people. Wearing funny hats and bandanas. Going on adventures. And proving every single day that limitations don't have to define us. The lesson Dexter teaches us. Video. Sunrise over mountains. Dexter silhouetted against the morning light. Life isn't always fair. Sometimes accidents happen. Sometimes dreams change. Sometimes the road ahead looks impossible. Dexter could have spent the rest of his life feeling sorry for himself. Instead, he simply asked, "What can I do now?" That question changed everything. His disability became his inspiration. His weakness became his greatest strength. And his story now encourages millions of people who are facing challenges of their own. Maybe the obstacle in your life isn't physical. Maybe it's financial. Maybe it's emotional. Maybe it's loneliness. Or grief. Or disappointment. Dexter reminds us that while we can't always choose what happens to us, We can choose how we respond. Closing video. Dexter happily walking toward the camera. Fade into sunset. Every great dog leaves paw prints on the world. Dexter's prints happen to be only 2. Yet they have touched millions of hearts. His message is simple. Never let what you've lost keep you from becoming who you're meant to be. Sometimes the greatest miracles aren't found in avoiding hardship. They're found in discovering the courage to keep moving forward. And that's why Dexter truly belongs in the world of dogs. Call to action: if Dexter's incredible story inspired you today, please give this video a like, subscribe to World of Dogs, and share it with someone who could use a little encouragement. Then visit THM34. Shop and subscribe free to the Good News newsletter. Every week you'll receive inspiring stories like this one, uplifting spiritual articles, delicious budget-friendly recipes, highlights from the week, and much more. Because in a world filled with bad news, good news still exists. Paw folded hands.